Welcome to IAS project. In this video, we are doing some practice questions for Stone Age topic of ancient Indian history. In our previous videos, we have done 26 questions. Now, let's look at the 27th question. You can pause this video at any time, read the question, and then answer it. The question is, consider the below statements regarding Lower Paleolithic Age in India. 3 statements have been given here, and the question is, which of the above statements are correct? The first statement is, it comprises the largest part of Paleolithic age. This is correct because we know Paleolithic age can be divided into 3 parts. The first part is Lower Paleolithic age, which started 2 million years ago and ended almost 50,000 years ago. The second part is Middle Paleolithic age, which started almost 50,000 years ago and it ended 40,000 years ago. The last part is Upper Paleolithic age. It started 40,000 years ago and it ended almost 12,000 years ago. So obviously the Lower Paleolithic age, it lasts almost for 1.95 million years. Therefore, it is the largest part of Paleolithic age. Statement 1 is correct. The second statement is, it ended about 50,000 years ago. As you can see here, Lower Paleolithic age ended 50,000 years ago. This is also correct. The third statement is, it is the oldest part of Paleolithic age. This is also correct because Lower Paleolithic age was the first part of Paleolithic age which started almost 2 million years ago. So the answer would be 1, 2 and 3 are correct. Option D. The next question is, which of the below tools can be considered as characteristic tools of Lower Paleolithic age? We know characteristic tools means those tools that were most widely used during a period or those that were invented during that period. We know that during Lower Paleolithic age, hand axes, choppers and cleavers were invented. So the answer would be C, hand axes, choppers and cleavers. If we look at the other options, blades, burins, borers, scrapers and points were invented during Middle Paleolithic age. Double-sided blades and burins were invented during Upper Paleolithic age. Microliths were invented during Mesolithic age. So the correct answer would be hand axes, choppers and cleavers, which were first used during Lower Paleolithic age. This is a very easy question. The next question is, match the following is given. On one side we have Paleolithic sites and on the other side we have state. We have to select the correct answer. Hiran Valley, we know that it is in Gujarat. So let me match one with C. Didwana is in the Thar desert region of Rajasthan. Belan Valley is very near to present-day Prayagraj city, which is in Uttar Pradesh. So the correct answer would be 1C, 2A, 3B, option D. The next question is, new type of stone tools made in Lower Paleolithic age were made from what? Prepared stone cores, stone flakes, flint or microlith heads? The answer is prepared stone cores and pebbles also. Since prepared stone cores is given here, the answer would be A, prepared stone cores. Stone flakes were used for making stone tools during Middle Paleolithic age. Flint was used for making stone tools during Upper Paleolithic age. And microlith heads were first used during Mesolithic age. So the answer is prepared stone cores as well as pebbles were used for making tools during Lower Paleolithic age. This is also an easy question. The next question is, consider the following statements regarding lithic reduction. 3 statements have been given here. The question is, which of the above statements are correct? The first statement is, lithic reduction process is used to make stone tools. Yes, this is correct because lithic means stone and reduction simply means removal. Therefore, lithic reduction means we are slowly chipping away parts of stone, thereby making remaining part of the stone as a stone tool. The second statement is, percussion flaking and pressure flaking are techniques of lithic reduction. This is also correct. We have understood this in our lecture video. We have talked about knapping in our lecture, which is basically a type of percussion flaking. Knapping is the process where we take 2 stones and we hit one stone to other, thereby removing chips so that this can be made into a stone tool. The third statement is, Lithic reduction was first used in India during Upper Paleolithic age. This statement is false because stone tools were made using lithic reduction process right from Lower Paleolithic age. So Upper Paleolithic age would be wrong here. The correct answer would be statements 1 and 2 are correct. Option A. The next question is, consider the below stone tools. 4 stone tools have been given. The question is, which of the above stone tools were used by Lower Paleolithic people in India? We know Lower Paleolithic people used hand axes, choppers and cleavers. So 1, 2 and 4 were used by them. Blades were used by Middle Paleolithic age people and Upper Paleolithic age people. They continued to be used by Mesolithic as well as Neolithic people also. Blades were first made when flake tools were invented. So the correct answer would be 1, 2 and 4 only. Option B. The next question is, consider the below pairs. We have 2 sets given here. The first set is Paleolithic site and the second set is state or country. The question is, how many of the above pairs are correctly matched? This type of question was asked in 2022 prelims exam. So when you're doing mock tests, please practice these kind of model of questions also. The first pair is Son Valley Paleolithic site is in Uttarakhand. This is false because Son Valley is located in Pakistan, not in India. The second pair is Bhimbetka is located in Madhya Pradesh. This is correct. Bhimbetka rock shelters and caves are very famous Paleolithic site in India. They are located in Madhya Pradesh. The third pair is Attirampakkam is located in Kerala. This is false because Attirampakkam is located very close to Chennai and Attirampakkam is therefore in Tamil Nadu. So only one pair is correctly matched here. So the answer would be one pair only. The next question is, consider the following statements regarding Acheulean stone tools. 3 statements have been given here. The question is, which of the above statements are correct? The first statement is, Acheulean stone tools likely originated in Africa. This is correct. This is the theory that has been accepted by most scientists as of today. The second statement is, Acheulean hand axes were used in Paleolithic age in southern India. This is correct because we have evidence of Pallavaram hand axe, which was basically an Acheulean hand axe found in Pallavaram. Pallavaram is located in Tamil Nadu. Dating was done on Pallavaram hand axe using paleomagnetic dating methodology. It was found that Pallavaram hand axe was almost 1.5 million years old. So basically this period belongs to Lower Paleolithic age in India. So we can say that Pallavaram hand axe, which is basically an Acheulean hand axe, was used during Lower Paleolithic age to be particular, and it was used in southern India. Pallavaram hand axe is also considered as one of the oldest stone tools found in India so far. We also have something called as Attirampakkam cleaver, which was found in Attirampakkam, again in Tamil Nadu. This is also almost similarly old. The third statement is Acheulean hand axes, which were also called as bifaces, had an almond shape or a teardrop shape. This is correct. So the correct answer would be all 3 statements are correct. Option D. Please see here, this is a difficult question. Unless you have studied the topic of Acheulean stone tools, Pallavaram hand axe, as well as Madrasian Paleolithic culture, you won't be able to answer this question. If you still have doubts on this question, refer to our video lecture. You can see the link over here. The next question is related to geography, but this is also important from Stone Age point of view. The question is, select the correct order of units of geological timescale in descending order of their size. Please look here, it is descending order of their size. This is a very factual question. We know that eons are divided into eras and eras are divided into periods. Periods are further divided into epochs and epochs are divided into ages. For example, if we consider the year 2022, it falls under Meghalayan age, in Holocene epoch, in Quaternary period, in Cenozoic era and in Phanerozoic eon. So this is the timeline of present day. So the descending order of size would be eon will be largest and age will be smallest. So the answer is eon, era, period, epoch and age. Option D. This is an easy question. I believe this has already been given in NCERT geography. However, it is also important from the point of view of Stone Age for ancient Indian history. If you have answered 9 out of 9 questions, very good. If you have missed any question, please go ahead and subscribe this channel and follow all the practice questions which are uploaded. You can find these practice questions on our Telegram channel. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.